Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap, and today I took a trade on VRPX Pharmaceuticals, and this stock is recently IPO. There was news related to one of its drug and something related to the FDA approval. I don't know the exact news, but it was kind of like strong momentum but scattered price action kind of stock. So what happened is I was looking to take a trade on this stock right when the market opens, but I couldn't do it because the price action was too choppy, and right around like 10 it started falling down, and I thought like, okay, I guess it's done. And then after some time when I looked at this stock, it was like ripping up higher and higher, and then I decided to jump in to this trade, and then I decided to jump in. Okay, so I bought 300 shares at 1331, or let's say like 1332, we can round it off. And as it was squeezing up higher and higher, at this candle at the top, my profit was closely around like $350, 350 or more than that. But then it pulled back and it was showing some weakness, so instead of taking a risk, I sold everything at $14. So here you can see that I bought 300 shares for 1331 and sold everything at $14. So that being said, I made a good profit on that one. As you can see here, I made $204 with that price action, and suddenly it started ripping up even higher, and at right in the after hours, as you can see, let me show you what it did in the after hours. It reached to all-time high of $22. Well, these type of stocks are very hard to trade because you don't know like what exactly happened. For an example, if you see this kind of like selling action, and if you see, okay, that stock is trending downwards, certainly it's following the channel, then you cannot guess like whether it's going to up or down, and based on your assumption you cannot take a trade based on assumptions. You need to see the price action, and you need to of ride that trend. Okay, otherwise you will lose money. You cannot predict, you cannot buy stock and hope in the hopes of it will go up one day or sometimes during the day. That's not going to work. So trade trade the market. Okay, trade the trend, trade the market. That's what it is. And good green day today, $204. Well, that being said, as usual, trading is risky. You may lose money, win money. So you have to study by yourself. You have to get familiar with all the trading terminology, and you need to understand the market, and based on that you need to place your trade. This is just for an educational purpose. It's not this video is not financial advice of any sort. So take your own risk, understand everything before jumping into the trade. If you are not sure, you can certainly consult with your financial advisor, and then you can start trading. And see you in next trade. Bye.